So this simulation is a model of what happens with air when it's put inside of a plunger. So as you can see, all these little green dots that are around the outside are representations of air particles. And then this is a syringe, and then this stick right here is the plunger. There's a stopper at the top of the syringe. So we're going to go ahead and reset this right now. So we have a stopper, which means it's blocking the air out. If we remove the stopper, we can see that there is air going inside of the syringe. So let's pull that plunger out and see what happens. As we pull that plunger out, we see that the syringe fills with air particles and they're bouncing around inside. We're going to lock that plunger in place so that it's staying still and we have the air particles that are inside. We're going to add the stopper. And that means that all these air particles are now trapped inside of the syringe. So let's press stop. Right now, we can see we have all of these air particles. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have 16 air particles inside this syringe. So we're going to start it again. And let's see what happens when we push the plunger in. So we're going to release the plunger and we're going to push it all the way in. We're going to lock the plunger in place. We're going to click stop. Let's see how many air particles we have now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have the same amount of air particles that are inside of this syringe. They're just all now closer together. So we can see them bouncing off of each other much closer together. If we pull the plunger out again and we stop it, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 air particles inside this syringe. And they're bouncing around. They can't go anywhere because they're stopped by the stopper and they're stopped by the end of the plunger. So what you're going to do now is you're going to get to go play around with this and see how it works.